Hi, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out your time and watching my video. I came across your company while doing research of plumbers in your area. My goal today is to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, traffic to your website, and increasing your clientele. Today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing I want to mention when I came across your website, I'm showing here that your website is not secure. Now, this is one of the factors that Google does use for ranking. So you may want to look into, getting the website secure. Another thing, this could also actually deter someone from going to your website in fear of their information being compromised. So you may want to do that. Now, the first thing is going to be content. So, content is anything that is within your website. So, this could be any words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, and what's behind the pictures, and any videos. Now, in order to rank higher on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. So by having more content, then you will be able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are actually words that are typed into Google in the search engine to find a certain service or company. So by utilizing more keywords, then you can increase your business and clientele that way. The next thing is going to be citations. So citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So this could be through a local directory, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Facebook, LinkedIn, for example. So the more citations that you have, then people are able to find your website and business better. Now, the goal that we have is to take a look at your competitors to see how many citations they have and just to increase and make sure you have more citations than they do. Now, this is what I found when I Googled plumbers in San Francisco. So the first thing that we see here would be pay per click. So these companies are paying to be listed here in this section. The next is going to be our map pack. Now, this is really important to be in this area. Generally, someone will call directly from this area, go to the website. So that's awesome that you're listed here. The next is going to be our organic search. Now, first we see here that it's going to be Yelp, and then here's another directory. But the first company that we see would be Magic Plumbing. So this would be your top competitor. So we'll take a look at their website. Okay, give you an idea of how it looks. Okay, and they have quite a bit of content. Now the next thing we're going to be, oh, I apologize before I move on. Your ranking in Google, I found you on the 6th page and you're ranking number 53. So you're ranking number 53. So the next tool that we'll be using is called Ahrefs. So this is a tool to see how your website is doing. This is not 100% exact or accurate, but it does give us an idea. So I'm showing that you have 194 backlinks. Backlinks are any links that are found on a website that will lead back to your website. Now, not all backlinks are equal. You want to make sure you have quality backlinks. So, for example, a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a backlink coming from a hardware store is going to bring in a different amount of traffic. So, the idea is more backlinks you have, the more traffic you will get on your website. What we do is look at your competitors or top competitor to see what backlinks they have and build those same backlinks for you to increase your traffic. I'm showing that you're utilizing 40 keywords. About 12 people are going to your website per month, generating about $186 in revenue. Now, these are the keywords that people are using to find you. So, rapid response plumbing, fast response, quick response, commercial plumbing, San Francisco, router, San Francisco Plumbing Company, XL Plumbing, San Francisco Plumbers. So this just gives you an idea of what's been typed in or the keywords that you're currently using. So the next we'll look at Magic Plumbing. So they have close to 2,000 backlinks. They're using about 1,200 keywords, bringing in about 874 people to their website monthly, generating over 19,000 per month. Now let's take a look at their keywords. So plumber San Francisco, water heater services, sewer hydrojetting near me, sump pump service, hydrojetting, water heater whistling, air conditioning service near me, hot water heater whistling, let's see, gas boiler repair near me, toilet repair and installation. So this just gives you an idea. So what we would do is use some of the same keywords that they're using that is causing them to rank high, and use the same keywords within your website. So I hope you have enjoyed the tips that I have provided today. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would love to hear back from you just to receive feedback on the tips I provided. Thank you again for your time and watching my video, and you have a good day.